Next, we want to check our gas pressure. All Greenstar boilers are shipped natural gas ready. A test port has been provided on the inlet side of the gas valve. The gas valve will be on the far left side of the boiler. Shut off the gas and power before performing this check. On the bottom left of the valve, you will see two flathead screws recessed into the gas valve. Loosen the lower screw 2 to 4 turns, but do not remove it. Slide your manometer tube over the test port and turn on the gas. If you're using a slack tube manometer, zero your manometer and add the difference above and below zero. This will tell you your incoming gas pressure. If you're using a digital manometer, attach your extension tube to the gas valve and read your digital display. For natural gas, you'll need a minimum incoming gas pressure of 3.5 inches water column and a maximum of 10.5 inches water column. The ideal incoming gas pressure is 7 inches water column. For propane, you want to see 8 to 13 inches water column with an ideal pressure of 11 inches water column. All Greenstar boilers are shipped natural gas ready. To convert to propane, locate the propane conversion kit. Inside this kit, you'll find the propane conversion instructions, propane code plug, and the conversion label. Reference section 11 in your installation manual and verify you have the correct code plug per your boiler model number. To remove, release the clip holding the natural gas code plug and pull gently. This will remove the natural gas plug. Install the propane plug and tug on it gently to make sure it's properly seated. Secure the code plug to the boiler using the supplied connector and install the electrical service cover. To prepare for combustion testing, remove the gray seal from the gas supply throttle. This is where you'll be adjusting the high fire setting. Note the plus-minus signs on the throttle. These are indicators to assist you when making adjustments. Verify all settings for natural gas or propane with a digital combustion analyzer. Prepare your digital combustion analyzer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Verify that it's set up for the proper fuel. In this example, we're testing for propane. For propane, at maximum output, CO2 should be at 11% and oxygen is 4.2%. At minimum nominal output, CO2 should be at 10.4% and oxygen at 5.1%. For natural gas, at maximum nominal output, CO2 should be at 9.4% and oxygen at 4.0%. At minimum output, CO2 levels should be at 8.6% and oxygen at 5.5%. Remove the supplied test plug from the flue. Insert the probe. To enter the chimney sweep or burner test mode, press and hold down this button for 5 seconds or more until the display changes. The display will change to 2 sets of dashes. These dashes will alternate with the current boiler temperature. To get into high fire mode for combustion testing, press and release the chimney sweep button 1 time. Watch your meter for changes in combustion and allow the readings to stabilize. To get into low fire mode, press and release the chimney sweep button once more. You will see 1 set of dashes. The low fire adjustment is made on the gas valve using a 4mm Allen wrench. Do not leave the Allen wrench in place when making adjustments. As you can see from the combustion analyzer, we are at 10.4% CO2. To return to normal operation, press and release the button 1 last time. This will return you to normal operation. Next, remove the propane label from the propane conversion kit and place over the natural gas label. This will complete the propane conversion.